Welcome to SAP Business Technology Platform Trial Registration. Let's get you started with your SAP BTP trial account. This means we will guide you step by step to create your own free, temporary environment on SAP's cloud platform. For example, a developer can use it to build a small app that analyzes sales data. This hands-on access is the best way to explore BTP's powerful tools and services firsthand. We will guide you step by step through the registration process. This means we will walk you through each action needed to set up your account, from entering your details to activating services. For example, we will show you exactly where to click when selecting your trial region. You will have your own trial environment ready in minutes. By the end, you will have access to your own BTP environment. This means you will get a personal SAP Business Technology Platform account to freely explore and build applications. For instance, you could create a simple app to track project tasks. This hands-on access is your key to practically learning BTP. This is your first step into cloud platform administration. It means you will learn to manage cloud services, like setting up user access and deploying applications. For instance, you could grant your team permissions to use a new app. Mastering this foundation enables you to build and control powerful cloud solutions efficiently. Begin your SAP BTP journey with the official trial. The official trial gives you full access to BTP services. This means you can freely explore and use all available tools and capabilities. For example, you can build a simple app to track inventory without any restrictions. This unrestricted access is the best way to gain practical, hands-on experience with the platform. It is completely free for 30 days. This means you can explore SAP BTP's full capabilities without any financial commitment. For example, you could build a small app to track project tasks, learning hands-on. This risk-free period is the perfect way to gain practical experience and understand the platform's value before any investment. You get your own dedicated environment to practice. This means a personal, isolated space where you can freely explore and experiment without affecting any shared systems. For instance, you can deploy a test application and modify it repeatedly without any risk to others. This safe, private setup is essential for effective, hands-on learning. Starting correctly prevents confusion later. This means using the official trial ensures your environment is properly set up from day one. For example, using unofficial setups often leads to missing features that block learning progress. A solid foundation now saves hours of troubleshooting down the road. Locating the official trial website. Go to the SAP BTP trial homepage. This is the starting point to access your free trial environment. For instance, just as you visit a store's website to shop, you go here to begin using SAP BTP services. This direct step ensures you can immediately start exploring and building your solutions. Use this exact URL, trials.sap.com. This is the official and only site to access SAP's trial platform safely. For instance, when you want to test SAP Build apps, going directly here ensures you get the genuine, free trial. Always start your SAP BTP journey from this trusted location. Bookmark this page for future reference. This ensures quick access to the official SAP BTP trial site without searching each time. For example, Developers can instantly return to activate services or check quotas. Consistently using this page saves time and avoids confusion with unofficial sources. This is your starting point for registration. This means you must begin your SAP BTP trial here to create your account. For example, just as you visit an airline's official site to book a flight, you go to this specific website to sign up. Always use this official site to ensure secure and correct access to the trial landscape. Alternative methods for accessing the trial environment. You can also search SAP BTP trial in your browser. This means using your search engine to quickly find the official trial page. For instance, instead of typing a long web address, you just enter those words into Google. This simple step gets you direct access to start exploring SAP BTP immediately. Look for results from sap.com domains only. This means when searching for SAP BTP trial information, only click on links that end with sap.com to ensure you are accessing official and secure resources. For example, if you search online, choose SAP BTP trial sap.com over other similar-looking sites. This keeps your trial setup safe and reliable. Avoid third-party sites or unofficial links. This means only use SAP's official website to access your trial account to ensure security and authenticity. For example, never click on links from unknown emails offering free BTP access. Stick to trusted sources to protect your data and avoid potential scams. Always verify you are on an official SAP domain. This means checking the website address ends with sap.com before entering login details. For example, when accessing the trial, ensure the URL is trials.sap.com, not a lookalike site. This simple step protects your account from unauthorized access and keeps your trial environment secure. How to verify you are on the correct enterprise site? Check the website address starts with trials.sap.com. This means looking at the top of your browser to confirm the URL begins with this official trials domain. For example, when accessing SAP BTP trial, you should see trials.sap.com/BTE in the address bar. Always verify this to ensure you are on the legitimate SAP site and not a fraudulent one. Look for official SAP branding and logos. This means checking for the SAP name and its distinctive blue logo on the webpage. For instance, when logging in, ensure the page displays the official SAP logo, not a generic or copied one. This simple visual check is your first line of defense against fraudulent sites. Ensure the page mentions SAP Business Technology Platform. This means the site's title or description must include this full name to confirm it's the official SAP platform, not a lookalike or phishing site. For instance, when logging in, check the browser tab or header for this phrase. Always confirm this to securely access your services. If unsure, start over from the main SAP website. This means if you are ever uncertain about the site's authenticity, navigate directly to sap.com instead of continuing. For example, if a link feels suspicious, manually type sap.com in your browser. This simple step ensures you always access legitimate SAP services securely. Welcome to your SAP BTP trial homepage. Welcome message and trial overview. This is your starting point showing key trial details and introductory guidance. For example, when starting a car trial, you'd first see dashboard instructions and feature highlights. This ensures you begin with clear orientation to available services and initial steps. Clear Start Your Free Trial button. This is the prominent button that launches your SAP BTP trial account. For instance, like clicking Try for free on a streaming service to immediately access content. It ensures you can begin exploring SAP BTP's capabilities without any delay. Information about what's included shows the specific BTP services available in your trial. For example, you might see SAP HANA Cloud listed, which lets you test database features without installation. This clarity helps you immediately understand which tools you can start using right away to build solutions. Links to learn more about BTP services. This means you will find direct shortcuts to detailed documentation and guides for each service. For instance, if you see the SAP HANA Cloud service, a link there explains its features and setup steps. This helps you quickly understand and utilize the services available to you. Initiate your trial by selecting the registration button. Locate the Start Your Free Trial button. This is the initial action to access the SAP BTP trial environment. For instance, when signing up for a new streaming service, you first find the Start Free Trial option. Taking this step officially begins your hands-on experience with the platform. Click it to begin your registration. This is the initial action to access the SAP BTP trial environment. For example, like clicking Sign Up on any website to create a new account. This simple step gets you started on your SAP BTP journey right away. This will open the registration form. You are simply accessing the page where you enter your details to create an account. For instance, similar to clicking Sign Up on any website to reach the input fields. This is your first direct action to begin using SAP BTP. Do not worry, we will guide you through each step. This means we will provide clear, simple instructions for every action you take, so you will not feel lost. For instance, after clicking the trial button, we will show you exactly where to enter your email address next. Just follow along, and you will have your trial environment ready in no time. Information required for your registration process. Your email address, personal or work. This is where we send your login details and important course updates. For instance, if you register with jane.doe@gmail.com, all class materials and links will be delivered there. Keeping this information current ensures you receive everything needed to begin your training successfully. Your full name as you want it displayed. This means entering your complete first and last name exactly how it should appear on certificates and records. For example, if your legal name is Robert Smith but you go by Bob Smith, you would register as Bob Smith. This ensures all training materials reflect your preferred identity accurately. Your country or region. This is the geographical location where you are based, as it determines the specific data centers and legal terms for your account. For instance, if you are in Germany, you would select Europe as your region. Providing this ensures your SAP BTP resources are hosted in the correct legal and physical jurisdiction. A password you will remember. This means creating a secure password that's easy for you to recall but hard for others to guess. For instance, Think of a favorite book title and add numbers, like Moby Dick 2024. This simple step ensures you can always access your account and continue your work without interruption. Choosing your email address. Use an email you check regularly. This ensures you receive all important SAP BTP notifications, like access confirmations or security alerts, without delay. For example, if you use a rarely checked old university email, you might miss a critical password reset link. Staying informed is essential for managing your account securely and effectively. This will be your login username. In simple terms, the email address you select now is what you will use to sign into the SAP BTP platform. For example, if you choose name@company.com, you will enter that exact address every time you log in. This identifier is permanent for your account. You will receive important notifications here. This means critical updates about your SAP BTP account, like security alerts or service changes, will be sent to this email. For example, if a new security patch is available, you will get an email directing you to apply it. Always use an email you check regularly to stay informed and secure. Make sure you have access to this inbox. This means you can log in, receive emails, and retrieve verification codes sent to it. For example, if you use a work email, ensure you can check it during and after setup to confirm your SAP BTP account. Keeping access prevents lockouts and ensures smooth system operations. Password requirements for secure enterprise access. At least 8 characters long. This means your password must contain a minimum of 8 letters, numbers, or symbols. For example, a password like summer42 is acceptable because it has 9 characters. Ensuring this length significantly increases the difficulty for unauthorized users to guess or crack your password, helping to keep your account secure. Include uppercase and lowercase letters. This means your password should mix capital and small letters, making it harder for others to guess. For example, instead of Apple, use Apple. This simple change significantly strengthens your password against unauthorized access. Should contain numbers. This means adding digits like 0 through 9 to your password. For example, instead of using cat, you could use cat 2024. This simple step significantly increases the number of possible combinations, making it much harder for automated programs to guess your password and protecting your account. Special characters are recommended. This means adding symbols like or hash to your password makes it much harder for someone to guess or crack it. For example, a password like summer is stronger than just summer. Using these characters significantly increases your account's security against automated attacks. Your account is activated and ready for use. You will receive a confirmation email. This is an automated message proving your registration was successful and is being processed. For instance, after signing up for a trial account, you immediately get this email with your account details. Keep this email safe as it contains your initial access information. Your trial environment will be set up automatically. This means SAP instantly prepares your personalized workspace upon registration, requiring no manual steps from you. For example, like receiving a pre-configured mobile phone out of the box, ready to use immediately. This automation ensures you can start exploring BTP features without any delay. This usually takes just a few minutes. That means your account is activated almost instantly after sign-up. For example, like receiving a digital library card online, you get immediate access. This quick setup lets you start exploring SAP BTP services right away. Then you can access the BTP cockpit. This is your central web interface for managing all BTP services. For instance, after registering, a developer immediately logs into the cockpit to set up their first project. This single entry point is where you will control your entire cloud development environment. Master these essential registration best practices. Keep your login information handy. This means having your username and password easily accessible during registration. For example, if you are setting up an account, keep a password manager open or a secure note nearby. This simple step prevents registration delays and ensures a smooth process. Check your spam folder if no confirmation email. Automated emails sometimes get misclassified as junk by filters. For instance, when Sarah registered for SAP BTP, her confirmation went to spam, but she found it there after checking. Always verify your spam folder to ensure you do not miss important messages. Use a modern browser for best experience. This means your browser can properly display all features and security updates. For instance, if you use an outdated browser, you might not see certain registration buttons or forms correctly. Keeping your browser updated ensures a smooth and secure process. Contact SAP support if you encounter issues. This means reaching out to SAP's help team when you face technical problems during registration. For instance, if you cannot verify your email due to system errors, they can resolve it. Remember, they are there specifically to assist you with such challenges. You are ready to register. You now know how to find the official trial site. This means you can locate the specific web page to start your free SAP BTP account. For example, you can search online for SAP BTP trial to access it directly. This knowledge is your first step to building applications on the platform. You understand what information you need. This means knowing your specific details before starting, like your email and company name. For example, to sign up for a new service, you'd prepare your business address and contact information. Having this ready makes the registration process quick and smooth. You can verify you are on the correct domain. This means checking the website address to ensure it is the official SAP site before entering your login details. For example, always look for sap.com in the URL when accessing SAP BTP services. This simple step protects your account from fraudulent sites. Next, we will help you complete the registration form. This means we guide you through each field to ensure your SAP BTP trial account is set up correctly. For example, you will enter your email, choose a region, and agree to terms, just like signing up for any online service. Following these steps carefully will get you started quickly and smoothly.